Take it across to Afrida Ali from Mirror now and get a sense of what exactly is the mood and the security arrangements in Assam. Afrida?
So I'm in Tejpur constituency in central Assam. 5 constituencies out of the 14 seats in Assam voting in the first phase. Now the constituency that I am in, it's going to be a contest between the Congress and the BJP. Pranab Lochan Das of the BJP has been fielded against a senior bureaucrat of this region, MGVK Bhanu. This is a contest which is interesting because this is one of the seats which is a little unpredictable in Assam. In most of the other seats, as you would know, there are strongholds of BJP and Congress. Also, let's not forget AIUDF is a very big factor in the elections in Assam. They have in the last Lok Sabha seats 3 seats AIUDF also has. However, in this particular constituency where I'm standing, it's going to be a direct contest between the Congress and the BJP. And remember, we are in Tejpur. This is a very important historical place, the cultural capital of Assam. Some of the iconic personalities of Assam are associated with this region, including Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. So people are extremely politically aware. And, historically, the turnout in Tejpur is always very high. I spoke to the District Commissioner of Tejpur earlier, and he told me that right now, in fact, you can see I'm standing next to a model polling station. Now, what this means is that they have all the necessary facilities in terms of for the differently abled citizens. They have braille facilities for visually impaired. So, it's one of those model polling stations, like I said. And like I said, I spoke to the Deputy Commissioner, and he is positive that security arrangements in Tejpur at least is in place. And in other districts, other constituencies that I visited, I also saw the preparations in terms of ground level security is very tight. I spoke to the additional DGP, Law and Order of the state, and he assured me that there are enough preparations. Central forces have roped in. The good thing, Viren, in Tejpur in Assam, the weather is a little unpredictable. There have been unseasonal rains as well. But as you can see, it's clear weather. So we are hoping that there will be a good turnout. In fact, as of now, I can already see people are queuing up. We will try and get you all the updates from Tejpur constituency through the day.